What's up, everybody? Real fast, hopped in here to give you this quick video. I told you guys we were going to be bringing out some more affordable versions of the software. Now, the difference between this software and some of the high-end software is the features. So you won't be getting as much features. It won't be as easy to use, but it'll get to the point. It'll get the job done. So today we have TGO arrows. This is a buy-sell indicator. We are on Henko trade. So pretty much I'm just going to look at this chart and go over what's happening right now. Okay, so pretty much what's happening is we're on Euro USD. Now, no trade was taken with the indicator as of now. I'm going to close this. But I'm just going to go over looking at it. We're going to drag the screen out. And you're going to see that the signals are pretty good, okay? So, let's put this here to show you, okay? So, this is using a strategy different from any other software. So, don't think that if you get this, the other software is going to be in the same league. It's not. This is actually one of the best signals you can use, preferably on the 1 hour and the 15. So anywhere between 15:30 and 1 hour and up, you should be fine. I mean, if you go lower, and we'll show you, you can go to the 1 minute and it's fine. As you can see, it works on any time frame now. Don't get it twisted. It's just that, you know, I prefer to trade on the 1 hour because I'm an intraday swing trader. But if you're scalping, as you can see, the signals are still pretty good. Now, let's just look at some of the pips you would get if you take the signal. Highest point here, 24 pips, great for scalpers. Let's say you take the signal here, 30 pips, great for scalpers. This is actually on the 1 minute, so you know these are some excellent signals. Say you took the signal here, you know, great for scalpers. That's a lot of pips. Now let's just say you wanted to go long on one of these signals like this one at its lowest point. Great for scalpers. Okay, so as you can see, these signals are great. So instead of providing a signal service, I'll just give you an indicator and you can use it for signals. Now if you want the signals to pop up on your phone, of course you would just go to properties. You would go to the indicator itself. You would open it. Now you can't see what I'm doing, but you would just make sure that the alerts are turned on and you would be fine. So, you know, once you turn on the alert, connect MT4 to your phone. That is also on the website if you want to learn how to do it. And every time a signal pops out on any chart that you have open, you'll get a text message to MT4 on your phone, and the app will tell you that there was a signal on this pair at this time, and then you look at it and decide if you want to take it. And as you can see from the demonstration in front of you, the signals are pretty good. So let's go back to the 1 hour, and the signals get even better. As you can see, this last signal we gave out was a huge buy, you know, for the intraday guys like me. You know what I'm saying? 214 pips on that signal right there. You can't beat this. You know, this signal right here, look at that, 120 pips. Because I'm zoomed out, you can't tell, but if I zoom in, you see these are some good signals. You know what I'm saying? So look, once again, let's check it out. So every signal you get pretty much is solid. You know, 54 pips on that. You know, let's say you take this buy to its highest point, 360 pips. And this is an affordable indicator. So if you want to get signals, this is your best way to learn the trade and get the signals. Now the strategy is not here. If you want the strategy, you have to learn that from me. But for those who just want to trade and make some profit, you know, you may be struggling or the signals you get don't work all the time. You see the win rate on this is pretty high. Actually, every signal you see on this chart is a hitting signal, okay? Every signal here is hitting. Now it may be minimum or whatever, but once again, if you put the supply and demand zones on your chart, or you know supply and demand, you know when to close these trades or when to keep them open. You know, we use supply, demand, support, resistance, and an ADR to hold trades longer. But as long as you know your levels, you'll be fine. So I just figured I'd let you guys see this and understand this. This is available on the website. If you want it, get it while it's on sale, or, you know, check it out. So that way you don't have to take signals. You can learn to trade on your own. That's the whole point of the indicator. I'm out of here. Peace.